Welcome to Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. My name is Mary, and today I will be showing you how to make your very own lip gloss. This craft is intended for teens, ages 13 to 18. So first, we're going to soften the coconut oil. You'll need to take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and microwave them. 5 seconds in the microwave is the sweet spot. And then stir vigorously. All right, perfect. In your second bowl, we're going to take the Kool-Aid and pour about half the packet in. And then add just a tiny bit of water. Not too much, you want to be able to form a paste. And stir this up. Nice and pasty. Now, if you've ever had Kool-Aid without the sugar, you know how tart it can be, so this is why we're gonna add some sugar, just enough to taste. Ooh, that's very sweet. Lip gloss. Mix it all up. And now we pour them together. Coconut oil. And stir those. Perfect. Last but not least, pour it into your container and show off to your friends. Thanks for joining us for Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. Be sure to check us out on social media. We hope to see you soon. Bye!